Welcome to our channel. Today we how to sync Google Calendar, quick fix step by step clearly. Open your Google Calendar on a desktop or laptop. Ensure you are logged into your Google account. Check for any sync issues in the calendar settings. On the left side panel, locate My Calendars. Hover over your calendar and click on the three dots icon. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, find the Integrate Calendars section. Copy the secret address and icon format link. Next, open your mobile device's calendar app. Go to the Settings or Account options in the Calendar app. Choose to add a new account or sync a new calendar. Select the option for an internet calendar or icon subscription. Paste the copied icon link into the required field. Save the new calendar settings. Return to the calendar view and refresh the page. Ensure your events appear as expected across all devices. If you continue to experience issues, restart your device. Check your internet connection for any instability. Revisit your Google Calendar settings to confirm everything is configured correctly. Once all steps are complete, observe if the sync issue is resolved. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.